guys, welcome back to my channel Bubbles B, and in this video I will be showing you this makeup look. This is a Diwali special look, and this is the video 2 of hashtag get ready with Bubbles. So keep on watching my video. So without wasting any time, let's get started with our video.
Okay, so first of all, let's start with an eye makeup. Let me zoom into your video and show you it in more details. Okay, first we will apply concealer on our eyes. तो इससे क्या होगा, जो आपकी आईज हैं उसमें जो मेकअप है वो बहुत अच्छे से रहेगा. सारे कलर्स जो है नेचुरली निकल के आएंगे. आपके स्किन टोन से वो कलर्स इफेक्ट होगा कि कुछ नया कलर नहीं बनेगा. कंसीलर के बाद हम लगा लेंगे कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर जस्ट टू सेट इट, एंड देन वी विल यूज अ ब्राउन शेड ऑन अ क्रीज टू गिव आवर आईज अ डेप्थ. मैं इस मेकअप को ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं रखूँगी क्योंकि सिंस इट्स अ फेस्टिव मेकअप आई वांट टू मेक इट लाइट एंड want it to look glowy and simple. Now we will apply lighter shade. We can use golden or any other cream shade to your lower eyelids, and now apply eyeliner. I am applying a simple eyeliner. You can go with the winged one. Now next I will apply some black shade in my lower eyelids. Take some kajal and apply this all under our eyes. This will gonna give you a nice Indian look. Okay, so in the last I will apply mascara. This is a very quick eye makeup that I have shown to you. You can go with this. You can definitely go with this on a Diwali day. Let me just zoom into it more. I have not used the false lashes since I wanted to make it simple and easy to carry. Let me zoom out from the video now, and we'll do the same makeup on the other eye also. Wait for some seconds. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. Now I will apply a foundation and blend it with Beauty Blender. Okay, so the very best part and the very important part of your makeup that has to be done is your blending. Your blending should be very nice so that your base doesn't look so cakey. और ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आप बहुत मेकअप थोप के आए, लाइक 2 किलो मेकअप थोप के आए, ऐसा ना कोई बोल दे. तो इसलिए you have to blend your foundation and everything that has to be put on your face very well. Give time to your blending. Give as much as time you want for your blending. After applying foundation, blending it properly, I will go with concealer and a bronzer. I will apply both of them at a time and will blend it together. This is how you have to contour your face. This will make your face look quite slimmer. Now with the help of the same beauty blender, I will blend it. Keep your face already moisturized and primed. I've also done it just to avoid a cakey base. Do moisturize your face before, and if you are going in a day party, don't forget to apply a sunscreen. Now to set this concealer under our eyes and over our face, I will use a compact powder or else you can say setting powder. You can even use loose powder or banana powder for it. You can go with any one of them. It is totally up to you and it's totally your choice. Now after that, that, I will use a powdered contour just because I don't find my face with a satisfied contour with a cream contour. So I use this every time I do makeup. This gives my face a more depth and the required depth that I want. You can skip this part, but I cannot. And if you have a very chubby face like me, you can even go with this step also. Okay, so now I will apply some blush. Blush will give you a soft pinkish glow on a festival season. You will look quite glowy. Okay, so now in the end I will go with the highlighter. Highlighting is very important in the festive season since you have to glow with the lights. And on Diwali is the festival of lights, so you should also look like a light. So apply as much as highlighter you want. Diwali is a very good festival to show off your highlighters. So apply highlighter. You don't have to skip this part. You apply it. Actually, there were guests on my shooting days. That's why I haven't recorded my audio in this. So I am recording it later on. So now in the end, I will go with my lips. Girls also, and also the girls those who are not wedded. Okay, so this is my final makeup look. Now just give me some few seconds to get ready to my final look, and I'll show you that. Well, this is my final look. I hope you all like it. This is what I have created a look that you can go with on a Diwali. So do try this all, guys.
My final look. I hope you like it. If you like it, do share it with your friends and all the ladies out there. Give my video a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Okay, so I'll meet you in my next video then. Till then, bye bye.